Let's discuss the 4 reasons that you never have to go to a chiropractor. Reason number 1, they're not even real doctors. I mean, come on, what is this? Voodoo? Is it witchcraft? What is this? They're trying to push you around and say you're gonna get healthy. I mean, it's not like they can prescribe you a drug that's going to kill something in your body. I mean, look, sure, they go to school in the Bahamas for a week and vacation and they come back with a degree. Or if they're lucky enough, they can even go to the store, grab a bag of Cracker Jacks, open it up, and look, there's a diploma. I'm now a certified chiropractor. Not a real doctor though, definitely not an RD. Oh wait, is there even such thing as a real doctor? I mean, what is an RD, for example? I have never, ever seen an RD on anybody's 75 letters that they have following their name. Not once. So apparently there is no such thing as a real doctor anyway. Reason number 2, you can always get a new spine. I mean, look at technology these days. You can get a new face, new boobs, new butt, new leg, new arm, new hip, new shoulder, new everything that you so choose. So why do you have to take care of your spine? You can get new teeth. So it really doesn't matter. We can always just go in, go to the store, find a spine that fits your model, get in there, replace it, cut it out. Don't worry about the damage you're doing to it every single day. It's a myth. You can completely replace your spine, your brain, your nervous system, and everything. And quite frankly, a lot of people deserve to. Reason number 3, you're not even in pain. I mean, why would you go to a chiropractor if you're not in pain? I mean, it's not like you sit at home brushing your teeth every single day because you have tooth pain, right? Every day our teeth hurt and that's why we brush them. We don't take care of this stuff so it doesn't hurt. We make sure that it's hurting before we take care of it. Make sure you're sick before you start eating healthy food. Make sure that you're about to fall apart before you do anything that's gonna make you feel normal like a healthy human being. And lastly, reason number 4, once you go to a chiropractor, you always have to go to a chiropractor. So never, ever start. It's just like when you're born. If you never start breathing, you'll never have to breathe. Once you start going to a dentist, you'll never have to go to a dentist again. It's a one-stop shop. They fix everything at once and you never have to do anything else. So never go. There's no point never going if you're gonna have to go forever. I mean, come on, folks. Why start spending the money on getting adjusted if you're going to have to keep going the rest of your life? It's insane. Don't even think about going to a chiropractor. It makes no physical, biological, fiscal sense. So there's no reason whatsoever to go to a chiropractor. I mean, unless you want to be able to lift your kids up, bend down and do your dishes, turn your head so you can see oncoming traffic while you're switching lanes. None of that's very important. So stop seeing your chiropractor. Never go see your chiropractor. It is not important. Unless they're gluten-free. Doctor of chiropractic. Danny, wanna be a chiropractor?
Yeah.
Sweet. Oh my God, that felt so amazing. Oh, okay, that was good.